Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lone Star Chick Plans and we're back with another video today. And today we're going to be going over March paycheck number 1 closeout. So we have ended the pay period with rollover of $286.47 that we did not spend in our budget. We have received all of the income. We paid all of the bills. We did all of our spending. So for income, we'll start there. Paycheck was $2106.36. My son pitched in $266, which was for his cell phone and just an extra $200. My daughter paid her cell phone bill, $35. Made 2 cents on interest, and I moved some money over from my savings for our parking for our vacation for our trip coming up. We saved $125 into our house savings. We did not contribute anything to sinking funds. We also paid all of our bills, which totaled out to be $583.86. Some things that changed was so my cell phone bill still came out lower. Spotify was on point. Peacock, Netflix, light bill, that was a little bit higher too. Car wash came in fine. Our internet came in okay. And I added AMC Plus. AMC Plus, because me and my husband like to watch The Walking Dead, and the Rick and Michonne episode or season came out, so we're catching up. So I'm gonna have that new subscription, but I did cancel Paramount Plus, so we're kind of like switching it for AMC Plus. So loan number 1 was paid. Discover was paid. My care credit, that first payment was paid, and then payment number 6 was paid. And then my TJ Maxx credit card was paid. Groceries, we budgeted $811 for all of our variables, which was groceries for $425, eating out for $85, gas for $75, pets for $41, beauty for $65, spending $90, and then we had vacation for parking. So what we actually spent, so $811 versus $564.36. So the main category that we were way under budget for was groceries, which was awesome. And that was mostly due to the fact that like a few weeks ago I had shopped and stocked up at Sam's for meat, and that has lasted for weeks. So I haven't had to spend a whole lot, only just for odds and ends and like sides, just the staples like, rice and milk and, just sides, all the everyday things. So that was really great. So I'm kind of rolling that over into our budget for next week and for the next paycheck. And so that's, the main reason why we have so much left over there. So that was awesome. So eating out, I had $3 left. Gas also was under budget, and that was under budget by $33.84. Pets was under budget by 96 cents. Nothing in beauty. Spending, I did not use all my spending money, so that was $56.01 that was rolled over, and vacation that came in even. So as far as spending, I think we left off on right here at Spotify, and that was Spotify. We put gas for $25.01. I bought some snacks on Amazon, and that was $17.49 and $12.86. I got some breakfast at McDonald's for $10. Gas again at Murphy for $16.15. I'm sorry. I did buy some odds and ends at Aldi, which was $55.16, and that kind of carried us through the week. I spent $1.08 at McDonald's for a breakfast sandwich. I bought some lunch at Lunch Drop at work. Breakfast again and a coffee for $3.45 at McDonald's. I bought some, lunch at work again, $12.86. $1.35 for a snack out of the vending machine at work. So $5, I started up my Vanguard account to start doing some investments. I opened up like a RRA and I just deposited $5 to get it started. So that's what that was. Kroger, I spent $186.05, and that was the main bulk of spending for groceries that happened this pay cycle, because like I said, we were previously so stocked up. We didn't need to buy a whole lot of things, just odds and ends, but we're finally running out of stuff, so I did have to do like a grocery shop. McDonald's, that was $1.08. Frontier for $69.99, and AMC Plus again for $4.99. And that was basically our whole paycheck. That was the end of it. And all, so the, again, to just explain the colors here, yellow is for my Capital One Saver Rewards credit card that I use for pretty much all of my spending. I try not to spend out of my bank account. I only use my card for spending because I do get rewards. And blue is for my American Express card, which I use for gas and groceries and subscriptions only. So whatever's not those categories, I spend on my Capital One card to get cashback rewards and maximize both cards with what they offer. And then every week, at least once a week, I try to pay my card back in full. So I reconcile all of my purchases, and then I do make a payment back to my card. So that's what the different colors are. This was like, you know, one payment that I made, and then the other color was like another payment that I made. So basically 2 payments for the 2 weeks that we were in this pay cycle. And as of the end of this pay cycle, everything was paid in full, and we're rolling over $286.47 for our budget. So yeah, that's how we ended this paycheck. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you did in your budget this week. And let's get into our next pay cycle. We're done with this pay cycle, so we're going to be going into our second paycheck for March. Stay tuned. Bye.